Let's learn to authenticate to the Aria Automation REST API in less than 60 seconds. On your mark, get set, go! We need to obtain two tokens, an API token and an access token in that order. In this REST request, we're going to do a post. Notice that the endpoint URL, in this case, is CSP Gateway AM API. And we're going to pass in two query parameters, access_token and an API version number. We need to pass in to the body the credentials to log into Aria Automation. Send this request. That's the API token that we're looking for. In the test tab, I'm taking the token that we just received and I'm storing it in a Postman variable called API_token. To get the access token, we're going to do a post. Our endpoint URL is going to be IaaS API login. This code here is bringing in the variable that we just set called API token. The body contains the refresh token, also known as the API token that we just got. Let's click send. This is the token that we need to pass in for all subsequent requests.